Hi everybody, welcome to another video from Sonoran Desert Institute. My name's Jared, and let's take a look at a simple gunsmith shop setup. It's amazing how much you can do in a really small space. So come on along and let's take a look. So the first thing that I've seen a lot of gunsmiths or potential gunsmiths fail at is how do they store the firearms that their customers are bringing in. You'll see in this shop we've got very clean storage, very simple storage, but you'll also notice that things are out where they can be seen, and then there's a flow to it so that they know first in, first out, that type of thing. What's due up next to my customer? If I promised them, hey, I'll have this work back to you in 2 or 3 weeks, how do I make sure that flows through? So you see really good clean storage here. The other thing that I want you to take notice of, and Rick's here with me, is how simple of a bench setup this is. We've got a ultrasonic cleaner, we've got a barrel vise, we've got a regular bench vise, we've got a good sturdy bench and some tool storage. Gunsmithing is not one of those professions that in many cases you need a lot of major power tools for. Yes, is it nice to have a lathe and mill? Absolutely. Okay, but you can make a very good impact on the industry just with these simple tools. Trigger jobs, mounting sights and scopes, putting together stock work, all of that can be done in most cases with hand tools, and so you don't need those big machine tools to get a lot of work done and your customers taken care of. So really simple setup, but there's some real keys here that with flow of firearms and the setup of the bench that shows you that you can make an impact in the gunsmithing industry without having a lot of space.
One thing I also wanted to point out, if we look over on this wall, we can see that they have a lot of common accessories that you would see that you would need to change out. Over here we have aftermarket trigger systems, hammers for the 1911, we have True Oil, Perma Blues. We have different things that the gunsmith is going to use commonly, but they don't have to keep a huge amount of inventory. Also behind this door we have scope rings and different accessories, just like I was saying. We have Geisley triggers up here for the AR. So again, you're going to want to keep some inventory so that you have a ready supply of what you need when you're repairing, so you can make that repair quickly. But you don't want to lock yourself in to a huge expense. You can keep a few things that you use regularly, but don't go out and buy a whole store of stuff.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like and subscribe, and look forward to other videos from SDI.